Alright, so today we'll be installing cabinets in this house. So far we've gotten the floor leveled off, finding the high spots and low spots. And then once we find our high spots and low spots, we put all of our plastic shims down, and the cabinets will sit on top of those plastic shims. And the reason we use plastic is when you're getting granite countertops, if you use wood, eventually the wood will squish, and that'll cause the countertops to crack. And that's why we use plastic. So we'll set all our cabinets on top of the plastic shims, double check everything, and then once the cabinets are set, then we'll be ready for the countertop templates to come out. Once we get the cabinets in, some of the house will be getting LVT flooring over here into the kitchen, and then also some carpet in the bedrooms. Here's our plans for this kitchen. We have all of our measurements. It has the numbers of the cabinets of where they need to be placed. And so this gives us a visual of what the kitchen's going to look like and all the measurements that we need to know in the field for placement of the cabinets. Ready? Yep. Maybe do a little demonstration. Yeah. Set. How's your side looking?